given that 110 in base x is equal to 40 in base 5, find the value of x. So you are welcome to my channel. I hope you have already subscribed. Alright, so let's solve this question. So the solution, we are going to convert each term to base 10. Okay, so we are going to take 110 in base x and then convert it to base 10, and then we take 40 in base 5 and then we convert it to base 10. I hope you understand. So let's take 110 in base x and then convert it to base 10. So since it's in base x, we are going to multiply through by x. Okay, so we have 1 times x raised to the power 2, or x squared, plus 1 times x raised to the power 1 plus 0 times x raised to the power 0. So x squared times 1 is what? X squared, plus x raised to the power 1 is x times 1 is what? X, plus x raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 0 is still 0. Any number times 0 is 0. Okay, so we have 0. So this is equal to x squared plus x. So converting 110 in base x to denary or base 10, we got what? X squared plus x. I hope you understand. So let's take 40 in base 5 and then convert it to base 10. So since we are converting from base 5, we have to use 5 to multiply through. Okay, so we have 4 times 5 raised to the power 1 plus 0 times 5 raised to the power 0. So 5 raised to the power 1 is 5. 5 multiplies 4 to what? 20, plus 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 0 is still 0. So we are going to get what? 20. So converting 40 from base 5 to base 10 ordinary, we got what? 20. I hope you are following it. Alright, so the expression now becomes x squared plus x equals 20. X squared plus x equals 20. I hope you are following. Alright, so let's group the terms to one side and then equate it to 0 so that it will become a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have x squared plus x minus 20 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So the quadratic formula is what? X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Alright, so a is equal to what? 1, and then b is equal to what? 1, then c is what? Negative 20. I hope you are following it. So we are going to substitute these values into our formula, okay, to solve for x. So we have x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 in the bracket square minus 4 times 1 in the bracket times negative 20 in the bracket all over 2 times 1 in the bracket. I hope you are following it. So x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 80 over 2. So 1 square is what? 1. And then negative 4 times 1 in the bracket is what? Negative 4. So negative 4 times negative 20 in the bracket is what? Plus 80. I hope you understand. Over 2. So 2 multiplies 1 in the bracket to be what? 2. I hope you understand. So we have negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 80 over 2. Alright, so let's continue. So x is equal to what? Negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 81 over 2. So 1 plus 80 is what? 81. 1 plus 80 is what? 81. So we have negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 81 over 2. And this is equal to what? Negative 1 plus or minus 9 over 2. So the square root of 81 is what? 9. The square root of 81 is what? 9. So we have negative 1 plus or minus 9 over 2. Alright, so this means x is equal to negative 1 plus 9 over 2, which is equal to what? 4. Or x is equal to negative 1 minus 9 over 2, which is also equal to what? Negative 5. I hope you are following it. So our final answer for x is what? X is equal to 4 or x is equal to negative 5. Please subscribe to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share the videos. Thank you.